Oh.
Whoopsie daisy, you.
For some reason, I spent over $60. I didn't even get that much stuff. What is thrifting coming to? Like, why was it that expensive? I got a huge freaking monster truck is parked next to me and I have no idea how I'm gonna get out. Anyways, $61. What the hell? It says the sunglasses for $7. The jewelry says $0 for some reason. I did charity, but I don't know if that's the $5 there. It says one top is $39, but I got 3 tops and there's only 2 listed, so maybe that $39 is like the same price for 2. Like they put both the prices in one. I really don't know. I have seen a lot of people on social media complaining how they're putting the prices up in thrift stores, which is ridiculous. They get it for free. But yeah, I think this is one of those stores that like put high prices. But it's kind of ironic because I got this bag from the same store for $15. Surely they would have known how much that was if they're gonna like make one of the tops more than that guest bag. Anyways, I'm gonna try them on when I get home for you guys, and I'll see you in a bit.
The next day.
Okay guys, I'm back home now. It's the next day, so I don't know, I said I'm back home now. Try on everything for you guys. I don't know if I'm bothered to style everything, to be honest. I'm just gonna try it on. So they actually gave me like a little bag for the jewelry and a case for the sunglasses, which is like good service, you know, like still not worth $63 for 5 items. What? Okay, so I've been wanting like big ass Y2K sunnies. These aren't like that big, but they're kind of similar to the ones that I had previously that I broke that were my favorite. So they also have Gucci written on them. They are not Gucci. I can tell by the quality, and that's the side. Gold isn't really my thing. I'm more silver, but I kind of like it, and I love the color as well. The lady at the shop said that it suits my hair, and I was just like, yeah. Oh my god, these are my favorite type of sunnies. They were $7. They're gonna be the sunnies that I wear like every single day now. And on my club sunnies, I'll show you guys my club sunnies. I actually have 2 pairs. I have these ones that I wear out of the house a lot and sometimes at the club as well. And then I have these ones which are like Y2K. I wear them at the club sometimes, mostly the other ones though, but I mean, I don't like the shape as much as the ones I just bought. I feel like this shape suits me a lot more. Okay, time to open the jewelry. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I bought a bangle. I've been wanting to like buy like a lot of bangles, but every time I go to the thrift, oh my god, every time I go to the thrift store, I can never find like the bangles that are like my style. But I found this one and I feel like I really like the, what do you call it? It looks like a leather pattern or whatever. But yeah, simple, cute, and I feel like it's perfect for layering with my other bracelets. Okay, so the next ones, I found these. How cute. But how cool are these? Like, I wasn't sure about this top when I first saw it. I really liked the idea of it, but then I'm like, it's fully see-through. What are you gonna wear underneath? Because I never buy completely sheer stuff unless I know what I'm gonna wear underneath. And I feel like it's just a good layering piece, honestly. Like, I feel like it's cute. Let me do it up. My Uber Eats just got here and I'm starving, so I'm gonna hurry up. I feel like it obviously doesn't go with this outfit. I would not wear it with this outfit. I feel like it's very dainty, very girly, you know, and I'm more into like, I wouldn't say masculine, but I would say more like dark. I don't know how to explain my style, to be honest. I don't really wear stuff like this, but I feel like I can make it work with my style. And the buttons are so cute. They're like little flowers. Guys, I just realized that that one did have a tag, $39. But then I look at it and it literally has the tag on it and it says silk. But it doesn't feel soft. Is that normal for silk? Is it like real silk? I've been thrifting for years. I need to learn to look at the like tags because it literally says silk. What the hell? I was actually afraid this top wouldn't fit because it's like a baby doll tee, and I'm actually really bad at telling if something will fit me on the hanger. Like, I'm like, oh yeah, that will fit me, and then it's like really big or really small, and then I'm like, oh, I don't know if this will fit me, and then it does. I really do like it. It is a bit flowy. I thought it would be more like tight, but I don't mind it, and I really like it. It's Betty Boop, and yeah, it's really cute. Okay, next one actually goes with what I was trying to find, which is kind of like giving Bella Swan, Elena Gilbert vibes. I feel like they would wear something like this if it was like tighter. But I don't know if I want to sew it or not because I kind of like how it's flowy, I'm not gonna lie. And it kind of goes with the jeans as well. And I really love the detailing as well, like lacy blue flower pattern. The little buttons are so cute. If you can see, they kind of have like a shine. Guys, let me know if I should sew it or not and make it tighter because everything's better. You know what? I was gonna say something, but never mind. I guess I do like it tight, but I also... Oh God, that's what he said. It's definitely perfect because the weather's getting colder and I can definitely layer this. Okay guys, so that's everything. Altogether, I got 7 things for $6. I'm not even gonna say the price again because I can't believe I spent that much. Definitely going to the Salvos next. I go there the most anyway, so comment down below this emoji if you stay till the end.